After the age of 50, your skin's natural ability to repair and regenerate slows down, and issues like dryness, sagging, and fine lines become more prominent. While daytime care, like using sunscreen, is vital, your nighttime routine is the time when your skin has the chance to rejuvenate and heal. Here are 9 steps to keep your face healthy and youthful after 50. Remove makeup thoroughly. Leaving makeup on overnight clogs your pores, causes breakouts, and speeds up the aging process. This is especially important as you age, since your skin becomes more delicate and sensitive. Use a gentle makeup remover designed for mature skin, such as micellar water, an oil-based cleanser, or a cleansing balm. These products are effective at breaking down makeup and impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils. If you wear waterproof mascara or eyeliner, make sure to use a specific eye makeup remover that won't tug on your skin, as the area around your eyes is especially prone to wrinkles. Use a hydrating cleanser. After removing your makeup, it's time to cleanse your face. As skin loses moisture with age, a harsh or foaming cleanser can make matters worse, leaving your face feeling tight and dry. Look for cleansers that contain ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or ceramides. Avoid cleansers with alcohol or strong fragrances, as they can irritate the skin. Double cleansing is a great method at this stage of life. First, using an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, followed by a water-based cleanser to clean the skin. Exfoliate regularly but gently. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that accumulate on the surface, which can make your skin look dull and uneven. After 50, cell turnover slows down, so exfoliating regularly can help reveal fresher, more radiant skin. However, be careful not to over-exfoliate, as mature skin is thinner and more prone to irritation. Gentle exfoliation, 2 to 3 times a week, is sufficient. Choose a mild chemical exfoliant with alpha-hydroxy acids, or AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, which encourage cell turnover without harsh scrubbing. If you prefer a physical exfoliant, choose one with fine particles that won't tear or damage your skin. Apply a retinoid or retinol cream. Retinoids, which are prescription strength or retinols available over the counter, are, some of the most effective anti-aging ingredients you can find. They work by increasing cell turnover, boosting collagen production, and reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. If you haven't incorporated retinoids or retinols into your routine yet, now is the perfect time. Start slowly, applying a pea-sized amount to your face every 2 to 3 nights, and gradually increase usage as your skin adapts. Retinoids can be drying at first, so it's essential to moisturize well afterward. For sensitive skin, you can layer a hydrating serum underneath to buffer the effects. Hydrate with a rich night cream. As your skin ages, it loses moisture more quickly, so deep hydration is crucial at night. After applying any treatments like retinol or serums, lock in moisture with a rich, nourishing night cream or moisturizer designed for mature skin. Look for products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, peptides, and ceramides. Hyaluronic acid helps to retain moisture, while peptides and ceramides support the skin's barrier function. Creams containing antioxidants like vitamin C or E can also help combat free radicals that contribute to aging. If your skin is extremely dry, you might benefit from using an occlusive product, such as a facial oil or balm, on top of your moisturizer to lock in hydration. Don't forget your eyes and neck. The skin around your eyes is thinner and more delicate than the rest of your face, making it more prone to wrinkles and fine lines. After the age of 50, using creams with peptides, retinol, or hyaluronic acid may help minimize puffiness, crow's feet, and dark circles. Gently pat the eye cream around your orbital bone using your ring finger, which applies the least amount of pressure. Avoid rubbing or tugging at the delicate skin around your eyes. In addition to your eyes, it's essential to extend your skincare routine to your neck and décolletage. The skin in these areas is often neglected, but shows signs of aging just as quickly as your face. Apply your moisturizer, serums, or even retinol to your neck and chest to keep the skin there smooth and hydrated. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase may sound luxurious, but it can make a difference in how your skin looks and feels. Unlike cotton, which can pull on your skin and cause friction, silk pillowcases allow your skin to glide smoothly while you sleep, This reduces the likelihood of waking up with sleep lines and minimizes skin irritation. Prioritize sleep for skin health. While it may seem obvious, getting enough sleep is one of the most powerful things you can do for your skin. Without at least 7 to 9 hours of rest, your skin won't have time to heal, leading to dullness, dark circles, and accelerated aging. Quality sleep, paired with a consistent nighttime skincare routine, will help keep your skin looking youthful, radiant, and healthy. Conclusion. Consistency is key. Caring for your skin after 50 is all about nourishing and protecting it from further damage. A consistent nighttime skincare routine that focuses on hydration, gentle exfoliation, and active ingredients like retinol can help maintain your skin's health and vitality. Be patient and kind to your skin, and remember that long-term care and consistency will yield the best results.